Progressive Congress APC for Rivers State don't talk to the immediate past governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, no dey qualified to get ministerial slots for Rivers State. The talk person of the party for the state, Darlington Wonju, talk this one for one talk with Tory people for Port Harcourt. A contact say made them not choose Wike, sake of say Wike na anti-APC and never one day work to benefit the party from the beginning. A constant talk say na backdoor Wike pass they support President Tinubu for the 2023 election and come back President Tinubu say make him look for members of the party where everybody know and where he don't pay the price to carry the party go front.
Is Mr. Wike going to be awarded a ministerial slot from the All Progressive Congress for sponsoring 12 different court actions to stop Rivers APC from fielding candidates for the 2023 general elections? B, sealing off party offices of his opponents, encouraging his loyalists to invade campaign venues, and leaving humongous destruction in the trail, denying parties access to state-owned facilities for campaigns, introducing anti-democratic rules beyond the ones set by the INEC. We are asking, what then would this party say to hundreds of our party faithfuls whose freedom and rights were infringed upon through illegal detentions, bodily harm, and even outright killing in the course of erecting a political structure for this party since 2014. And we ask again, if we had all died and the party non-existent in Rivers State, which of the APCs would former Governor Wike have dreamt of benefiting from? We cannot reduce our progressive party platform to an arena where mercantiling on betrayals, lies, and blackmail becomes the only currency for political survival. The burden is on President Tinubu to uphold the principle of party loyalty.
From Port Harcourt, A. Carter, Ojaisili, TMC TV News.